Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware. This ransomware is actually containing some swearing words. I'm not going to mention them. My video is for the demonstration purposes. The video is about the damage of this ransomware and its impact on the files. The ransomware is called Getf, and there are two other letters, U and C, which I'm not mentioning in order not to swear, not to use the filthy language. Anyway, before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any complications. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this nasty ransomware, which is titled using filthy language, may attack the files. This is what happens. You try to open the specific file and you get this message mentioning that Windows cannot open this type of file. Anyway, the ransomware then drops a special ransom note on the computer screen mentioning that people need to pay a ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your data would be recovered. I recommend that you immediately remove this horrible ransomware, and please use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Now, the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is successfully accomplished in order to effectively remove this Getf ransomware. At the end of the scan, as I said, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact location. Please consider upgrading to Premium of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware, but it will not help you to recover your data. However, Combo Cleaner will also help to protect all your files from being damaged in the future. So please consider Combo Cleaner Premium as the best solution for protecting your data from any other possible ransomware attacks.